Angeke ngibingelele ubingelele babudokotela babesizwe babujabulile umfana omuhle njengekhehla lomlungu. Izolo I have seen one of the videos that was made by inyanga uZikode oseJohannesburg lona waseDalhouse. La nyanga lana into eyikhulumile ingizwe ingifikisela nosizi. Mhlambe yona I understand there is God above everything. Trust me with this, there is God above everything. Singaba nethongo but sinento esibiza ngesingisi esibiza ukuthi it's a council of the heaven. Ngesi-Aramaic bathi it is Elohim. Lo ndoda leyo yenza izinto ekade zingenzeki zenzeke. Ngine-proof whereby abantu beMozambique beye ngaphandle kwamanye amazwe balunywa u-mosquito. Trust me with this, I've seen no one surviving. I have seen no one surviving. In my realm of practice, I have seen no one making it out. Kusukela ngo-1996 uNkulunkulu engivezela lo msebenzi ukuthi ufuna ngikwenze. Today it's 2024. It almost 30 years. I have seen no one, but with God's power and the mandate engephezulu kwaZikode abekele yona angayi-understand. Kuze ukuthi lento uZikode ayi-understande kahle, he must come face to face with the power of God. There is God ekugcineni. uNkulunkulu umhlengile uZikode kumalale veva entweni engakaze engasindi lutho lapha. Le nto ifana nse nokulunywa yinje namarabi. Ifana nse awukho nje umehluko. Engisho ukuthi sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu uZikode emgcinile. Sibonga kakhulu kumaGumede futhi mentioned that ukuthi umaGumede has been there. Akasho ukuthi hey le nto benami benofuna abafazi benokuthi uNkulunkulu has been there. And then unkosikazi wakhe umaGumede, she just proven that to be a wife, not a clean, not a bid, but just a wife, which no matter what happens, but I will. And then into ebizokwenzeka ibizoba buhlungu ke bekuzothiwa obe inyanga oke waduma kakhulu eGoli ubulawe isithwalo. Angisho lutho kodwa ngisho ukuthi uMaskito uyabulala. Even though sinabantu aba-exaggerate izinto ngendlela kodwa uMaskito uyabulala. And then when I was in India, I went to the place called Rogistan. And from Rogistan, I went to the place called Ajmeri. And all those places, there were mosquitoes. There were mosquitoes. But for the fact that I learned that when I leave the country, did I say that when I learned? I learned that when I leave the country, I must use ama-drugs lawa esiwadlayo. Ngoba lama-drugs wadla 6 weeks. Wadla ungakaphumi ekhaya, umusi uyahamba. Ngathi mase ngibuya, cut a story short, sengibuya e-India, ngahlala 2 days ngibuyile e-India. I got so sick. Trust me this, I got so sick. Kwaphela ukuhlakanipha, kwaphela ubutsotsi, kwaphela ilokishi. Ngathi siyamasha manje isigebengu. Siyamasha isigebengu manje. Kanaka umhlola ngibulawa lo mxhaka womaskito yini. Ngamasha, ngaya kudokotela ofike wangi-check ama-symptoms zonke amalala vele. Kathi there is no way ukuthi it could be mosquito. There is no way because i-drug engiyithathile, it fortified drug. I have always used it and never deceived me. I've been in places like ezino-mosquito ngempela, like eMangongumede. I've been in places like Ngwambeni, kuno-mosquito lapha ngempela. And then I've used same drug to fortress myself against that mosquito. But how come could I get sick this way? Ngaya kudokotela kanti ngithole nje just i-airbag, i-flu yase-India ngabuya kodwa nga-treat. But uNkulunkulu uyangijabulisa ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi amgcine uZikode. Zikode, your mandate is clear. Work for people of God. Mandate is clear. Sebenzela abantu baNkulunkulu esigodlweni. And then ukuthi abantu bathini okunye, but uNkulunkulu has a mandate, has shown you ukuthi lento obucabanga ukuthi wena uyiyona and uyena ngaphezu kwako konke. uNkulunkulu uzokusebenzisa Zikode. Trust me this. uNkulunkulu uzokusebenzisa, you will testify otherwise. uNkulunkulu uzokusebenzisa and there are people abazofika kuwena to prove ukuthi uNkulunkulu has saved him for these people. I'm not saying that you'll make millions, but kusazofika abantu abaphethe imandate kaNkulunkulu bezoyibeka kuwena bethi zikode this ekunikwe kona kuthiwa ngenzele kona. Trust me this, zikode uNkulunkulu uzokusebenzisa. Accept the work of God. uNkulunkulu bengakakusave kumalana veve ngena mission nawe. Bengeke azakusave uyazi ulayithile, uyazi ngeke uzotshelwa yonke into. uNkulunkulu bengeke azakusave engekho into ayifunayo kuwena, akaqedile ngawe. And it's only the beginning. It is now you are taking your journey, but take it very, very serious now. There are people, Zigota, that you call them your friends. There are people now that you know that they ain't your friend. They were going to celebrate your demise, the fall of the big tree. They were going to celebrate. Zigota, this is Babu Dogotel, Babu, this is Babu Jabin Fanum Klejo. Unfortunately, I'm in Mozambique without taking these drugs. For the fact that I did not sleep in Mozambique, I slept in South Africa because my intention was one, is to enter Mozambique and bounce back like a rapper. I don't want to sleep over there. I don't want that. This is Zigote message. Babu Dogote said, Siyabonga khona komede kutshengisa ukuba unkosikazi. Babu Zigote, number Babu Dogote is 082 459 1816. WhatsApp only. Siyabonga.